Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this yummy and mouth-watering shawarma. If this is your first time of coming across this video, you're welcome. And if this is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. With no further ado, let's cook. The first ingredient I will be introducing is my chicken breast. I will go ahead to start dicing them or slicing them into my desired shape. If today is your first time of coming across this video, you're welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now that I'm done slicing everything or dicing everything, I'll go ahead to add my ingredient. I'll be adding turmeric powder, onions powder. I will go ahead to add garlic powder, ginger powder, and then paprika pepper. And thereafter I'll go ahead to add more spices. Those are normal, that's the normal pepper. Then another one, normal pepper as well. That's the mixed blend pepper. So guys, if you don't have all these things, then I will add lasso chicken spices. As I was saying guys, if you don't have all these ingredients or if these spices I just use, you can go ahead to still make your shawarma. Now I'll go ahead to add some olive oil just to bind everything together. Now this is my hand gloves. You can use your bare hand, but make sure you wash it before using it. So I went ahead to mix everything together. The next thing I'll be doing is to use a clean film to cover the soap, and then I will refrigerate it for 24 hours. Or if you don't have time, you can just leave it for a few minutes to marinate. I marinated it for 24 hours in my fridge. Now moving over to the next step, in a clean pan, I will be adding some vegetable oil. Allow this to hot, then I will go ahead to add the marinated chicken. If you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, okay? And share and like this video. Thank you. So I went ahead to stir everything, turn everything until everything became pale and ready. Now take this out of the fire. Now moving over to mixing our coleslaw for the shawarma. That is mayonnaise. Now I'll be adding some ketchup. This is optional as well. Next, I will go ahead to add some lemon water. Then I'll be adding paprika pepper. Then I'll give everything a good stir. If you have watched up to this moment, guys, please subscribe to this channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. Now I'll set this aside. I will go ahead to assemble all my veggies together. Now I'll be using two different types of salad. I have this mixed salad. Then the first one I added was the iceberg salad. Now I'll go ahead to add the carrots. Then I'll go ahead to add the cooked chicken. Guys, now I'll be adding the coleslaw, and then I'll give everything a good stir. I will not be adding everything because we'll be using some for our wrap. So guys, if you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to like. Thank you so much. If you are a lover of shawarma, I bet you will enjoy this one. Just follow the step by step. So this is the tortilla wrap I will be using. Now I went ahead to open up the tortilla pack, and then I brought out one. First thing I'll be doing is to add the coleslaw into the wrap, and then just spread it out with my tablespoon. Next, I will go ahead to add the mixed salad and chicken. I did not add sausage into this. Okay, I went ahead to add veggies, bell pepper, carrots, and all that. Then I will be adding some chicken ham. That's a cooked chicken ham. All these are optional. As I said before, I did not add sausage. If you want to add sausage, you can still go ahead to do that. Just go ahead to do you. Any filling that you want in your shawarma, just go ahead to do you. Thank you guys for watching so far. Please don't forget to subscribe. Now I'll go ahead to fold this up. Guys, this shawarma was so yummy. It was so delicious. I hope you'll be trying this out. So this is our first wrap. Look at the way I wrapped it. So next I'll be showing you the second wrap I did. So the first thing we'll do is to bring out our wrap, then add some of those coleslaw, and then spread this out with a tablespoon. And thereafter, we'll go ahead to add our minced salad and the cooked chicken. And thereafter, I will go ahead to add uh, more of those vegetables into this. The vegetable is optional, okay? Now I did not add any of that thing apart from the cooked vegetable. The vegetable I did was a mixture of red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and carrot and onions. So I just fried it. And guys, it was so yummy. You understand? In order for me to have more veggies, because this is a healthy food. So the third wrap I'll be showing you is just like I did in the first one. I spread my coleslaw on the shawarma wrap. Now I'll be adding the cooked uh, chicken. Then the next thing I'll be doing is to add those mixture of salad and cooked chicken. Then I will go ahead to fill this up. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Okay. Thank you for watching so far. Please guys, support this channel. In here you will like it. In here you will love it. We'll be bringing wholesome content to you. Everything here will be food, lifestyle, blog, all of them, just to make sure you stick to this channel. Thank you guys. Hope you are doing well. Hope you are good. Thank you so much for stopping by. So after everything, we are taking this to our clean pan. So I just went ahead to put everything into a clean pan and allow this to cook for a few minutes before flipping this up. Guys, if you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe. I hope you'll be trying out this recipe. This was so delicious and it was so yummy. It literally melts in my mouth, and my husband really enjoyed this shawarma. Please go ahead to try this out and then give me your feedback. Thank you. So guys, will you be trying this? As I said, if you try this out, please let me know. And just like that, our shawarma is ready. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Keep eating good food. Bye.